Hello everyone, this is Veronica and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and trendy dessert. To make this one I use pastry, which is the dough that we use when making fruit tarts. It's kind of like that one. And I use some macarons. The macaron recipe, you can find it over here on the links. Some meringue cookies, fresh fruit, and some fresh flowers also. And of course I use lemon cream cheese to make all these little dots or all the frosting that you can see over here. So let me show you how to make this. On a bowl we're gonna place the butter and the powdered sugar, and using a pastry cutter we're gonna cut the butter into the sugar. To make this easy, the butter is at room temperature. Before it's all well combined, I'm gonna add the almond flour, salt, and I'm gonna keep on mixing all this with the pastry cutter. Time to add the vanilla or the flavoring that you chose, and the eggs. Once the egg and the vanilla are well combined, I'm gonna add the flour. This is all-purpose flour, and we're gonna keep on mixing until we get a smooth dough. I am speeding the video, but you can actually see how the dough should look when it's done. Place the dough on the saran wrap, and we're gonna put it on the fridge for about an hour. In the meantime, let's prepare the cream cheese frosting. We're gonna use the cream cheese, butter, and we're gonna mix them together. We're gonna cream them together. We're gonna add half of the sugar, keep on beating, then the other half until everything is well combined. It is gonna be kind of thick frosting, but that is how we need it for this cream tart. Now add the flavoring. In this case I'm using real lemon juice, so the flavor is kind of like tangy and sweet at the same time. It's delicious. Now we're gonna put it on a pastry bag with a round tip, and it's the big round tip that we're using. After an hour, our dough is ready to roll out. I'm gonna use these little pieces of wood as my guide. The thickness of it is less than 1/4 of an inch, and I'm using the parchment paper. So this parchment paper, I'm just gonna transfer it to my baking sheet. That will make the process easier. I'm gonna cut the dough using the template. You can use letters, numbers. In this case I'm using a heart. Cut around your template, remove the excess dough, and you need 2 of these. Transfer your shape to a baking pan, and we're gonna bake at 350 degrees for about 16 to 18 minutes. Secure your tart shell with a little bit of frosting underneath. Pipe the frosting, and it's like you're gonna make the kiss shape. So press down the frosting and pull up, releasing the pressure of the bag. I placed mine in the freezer for about 2 minutes, and then I added the second layer of the tart shell and repeated the process with the cream cheese frosting. Alright, it's time to decorate, and I'm using fresh fruit, just placing it on the top, adding some macarons, fresh flowers, and meringues. Add your personal touch like chocolates, cookies, whatever you want to put on top of it. And there you have it, easy and simple to make. So I just show you how to make this beautiful cream tart. To print out the recipe, you're gonna find the link on the description box below. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one, tutorials and recipes. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.